So just another quick update. I pulled my old sump tank out of the ground. I was having some issues with my pump, kept falling apart. So I figured it's going to wind up in that tank anyway when that converts to my sump tank. And so I went ahead and popped it in, even though the fish are still in there. You can see that the piping is absurdly high because it's used to being dropped into the ground. But I dug out this barrel, and I have the bottom kind of spigot, which will be used to get all the extra solid waste. Once that system is up and running, every now and then I'll just flush out some of the fish waste. This is actually the standpipe where the water will come in. So it will come in, and then there'll be a larger PVC tube that drops down, forcing the water down to the bottom before it will pop up. I'm about to drill in another hole right about here with another one of my uniseals. You can kind of see the uniseal there, and that will be the outlet. So it'll have the clean water pouring over the top and draining into the sump tank. So you can see I've got done a little bit more progress with the actual outlets here. I've got this is actually the water in, and I'm just waiting for my tank to be set up, and then I'll finish setting this up and connecting with the tube over there with a T down into the pump so it can split off and go one to the grow bed and one to the fish tank. So just a little bit more to do. Got my venturi here. As the water flows past here, it'll suck the air through this tube, hopefully, fingers crossed, and it will run out here. And when the water blows out the bottom, there's holes in that bar in the bottom. Hopefully it'll bring extra air, which is how it's designed to work. So obviously I've yet to put it all together, but hopefully, fingers crossed, that goes well. And you can see that the water's kind of dirty. I brought the water level up a little bit, but also just through the digging process, a lot of that dirt settled into the pond. So another reason to get my radial flow filter up and running, and hopefully we'll have that done soon. Pardon the mess. The backyard is a little bit of a construction area. You can see my old radial flow filter there compared to the new size, so significantly bigger. All right, that's all for now.